the darkness is good. You gotta go
Facts.
into you gotta go into the darkness. So in the shadow realm, basically you've seen it turn black and white. We know what that is, right? The black and white is what? Polarity, right? Like and alike are the same. So in this
Mhm.
darkness, in the subconscious mind, the darkness, the dark side, you want to just address these energies inside of you accordingly. So you got to understand that you basically like kind of like my eye. You feel me? You got to understand you never had these traumas. You never did get picked on in school. You never did rob that store. Whatever you feel guilty about, whatever you feel shamed about, whatever is holding you back from your true power, right? When you go into the shadow, when you go into the dark side, when you go into that part of you that knows, that's when the true God comes out, because out of darkness comes light. You can't get light out of darkness. But that's what the shadow work is. Your shadow is an aspect of you that you hide, that you're insecure about, that you're holding back from the world. The real key and the real game is to get on top of that shit, and so you can be, you know what, I'm not even human, so it don't even matter if I watch midget porn, nigga. It doesn't matter. It doesn't. You feel me? So, but then you just have to address that aspect of yourself, right? That feels that, because remember, the feeling is the key. That feels some type of way. That feels like you're letting yourself down.